was Sunday evening. Jack and Jill were reading a book. Grandpa was snoring so loudly they couldn't read.
We need to wake him up,
Jack and Jill agreed. They shook Grandpa's shoulder.
wake up, please, Grandpa.
But Grandpa kept on snoring. They squeezed his nose.
Wake up, please, Grandpa.
But Grandpa kept on snoring. They tickled Grandpa's feet. But Grandpa kept on snoring. They played the musical instruments, but Grandpa kept on snoring. They spinned Grandpa's chair, but Grandpa kept on snoring. Snore. They sang and danced, but Grandpa kept on snoring.
La 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 la.
Jack and Jill were too tired. They fell asleep on the floor. They started snoring too. Spin the chair. Snore. Snore. Wake up. Wake up. Shake. Shake. Squeeze nose. Squeeze nose. Tickle. Tickle. Play the musical instrument. Play the musical instrument. Spin the chair. Spin the chair. Dance. Dance. Fall asleep. Fall asleep.